Good morning, students. Beta, today's topic in statistics is the mod. So points to remember and learn are the mean, median, and mod are the measures of the central tendency. A measure of the central tendency is a single value that describes where the data are centered. That is its average value. So central tendency stands for center. So number 2 point, the most common value in a set of data is called the mod, because today's topic is the mod. So we are moving particularly towards the mod now. The most common value in a set of the data is called the mod. And here is the definition, most proper definition. The mod of a set of data is the value that occurs most frequently. In some distributions, no value appears more than once. So there is no mod. So it means if no value appears more than once, so there will be no mod. In other distributions, there may be more than one mod. Here are some questions to explain the topic. Find the mod of the following sets of the numbers. A part is 54, 69, 70, 72, and 80. And if you look at the values of the A part, all the values are coming only one time, like none of the numbers appear more than once. So there is no mod. In B part, here is the B part. If you look at the data of the B part, 28 is coming most of this time. That is coming 3 times, 29 is coming 2 times, 26 and 24 are coming 1 time. So 28 appears the most time. So mod is 28. If you look at the C part, in C part, number 7 and number 12 is coming 2 times each. 5, 6, 9 and 15 are coming 1 time. So 7 and 12 are coming 2 times, which is more than the other. This set of the numbers is bimodal as it has 2 mods, 7 and 12. So mod is 7 and 12. Here is another question to explain more. A part, the heights of 9 boys in centimeter are these. So here is the data. We have to arrange the data in ascending order or descending order first to look clearly the data. So after arranging the data in ascending order, this is the form which is made. So now you can look clearly. 156 is coming 3 times, which is most of the times than the other values. The height that appears most often, that is 3 times, is 156. So mod is 156 centimeter. B part is if the heights of 3 more boys, 178 centimeter, 175 centimeter and 180 centimeter are added to the heights of the 9 boys, find the mod. So that was the previous data, and 3 more heights are adding to the data. After arranging the data in the ascending order, we can look clearly. 156 and 175 are coming 3 times each, which is more than the other values. So 156 and 175 will be, both will be the mod. So mod is 156 centimeter and 175 centimeter. So here is the point, both heights occur most frequently, that is 3 times each. Here are some more examples to explain. Find the mod of each of the following. In A part, we have a dot diagram. The requirement is the mod. In dot diagram, we can clearly see 11 is coming most of the times. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, which is more than the other values. So mod is 11 in A part. So here is the answer, mod 11 centimeter in A part. In B part, we are having a stem and leaf diagram, and in stem and leaf diagram we can clearly see that this value like 65 and this value that is 48, is coming 4 times each, which is more than the other values. So 48 and 65 both will be mod at a time. So mod is 48 and 65, both have the highest frequency. In C part, we have a frequency and the values. So again, the requirement is the mod. So in this data, we can clearly see the highest frequency is 8, whose value is 21. So 8 frequency is the maximum as compared to the other one, which is more than the other one. So the mod in this case, C part, is $21. So C part's answer is $21. The most number of the workers having this wage, that is $21. In D part, we have a bar chart, and we can clearly see the bar of the silver is the highest. So that is the mod in this data. So silver is the mod in D part. So here is the mod. The most number of the cars have this color. The next topic is the mean. The points to remember and learn are: number 1, the mean of the set of the data is obtained by dividing the sum of all the data by the total number of the data. So in general, the formula is the of mean is equal to sum of data over number of data. And in arranged form, the formula is the mean of the set of the n data, that is x1, x2, x3 up to xn, is denoted by x bar. So mean is denoted by x bar, and this is given by all the values will be added in the numerator and the number of the values will be put in the denominator, which is the formula of the mean. Here are some questions to explain the topic. A part is find the mean of the following set of the numbers, and numbers are 8, 9, 4, 5, 7 and 12. So the point to remember is there is no need to arrange the data in ascending or descending order if you are going to find the mean. So we can add all these values, likewise they are given, so all these values will be added because the formula is sum of values divided by number of values. So all these values will be added in numerator, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 values, so 6 will be put in the denominator. Solve the values on the calculator and you will get the answer of 75. B part is the mean of the 5 numbers is 36. So if the mean of the 5 numbers is 36, you can find the sum of the 5 numbers by multiplying 5 by 36. So next statement is 3 of the numbers are 28, 31 and 39. If each of the other 2 numbers is equal to x, find the value of x. So the sum of the 5 numbers will be 5 multiplied by 36. So this is the sum of the numbers, and we can sum of the numbers from here as well. 28, 31, 39. So here are 28, 31, 39, and each of the other 2 values is equal to x. So 2x will be further added. So the sum of the 5 values should be equal to 180, and from here we will solve the equation. This will be 2x, and these 3 will be values will be added up to 98. Then this 98 will move to the right side. That will be equal to 82 now, and 2 will go to the right side, and answer we will get will be 41. In C part, the statement is if the mean of the 6 numbers is 21, so we can find the sum of the 6 values by multiplying 6 by 21. So the next statement is if another number is added, the mean of the 7 numbers is 24. Now the mean of the 7 number is 24, so we can find the sum of the 7 values by multiplying 7 by 24. What is the number added? So after subtracting, so likewise look at the answer. Sum of these six numbers is 6 multiplied by 21. So here is 6 multiplied by 21, and sum of 7 values can be obtained by 7 multiplied by 24. So look here, the sum of the 7 numbers is 7 multiplied by 24. This is the sum of the 7 values. This is the sum of the 6 values. And the requirement is, what is the number added? So the seventh number can be obtained by subtracting this number and this number. So 168 minus 126 will be equal to 42. Next point to remember about the mean is, given that the set of the data x1, x2, x3 up to xn occurring with corresponding frequencies f1, f2, f3 up to fn, its mean x bar is given by. So when the data of this kind is given, in which values and their frequencies are given, mean can be found out by putting the formula x1 f1 plus x2 f2 plus x3 f3 up to so on, divided by f1 plus f2 plus f3, and in short form the formula is summation fx over summation f. So here is a question to explain this kind of the question. A survey was carried out to find the number of the hours a group of the 50 students spent on the internet in a particular week. So here are some values given and their frequencies, corresponding frequencies are also given. Find the mean number of the hours spent on the internet per student. So the method which we have just studied is f1 x1. So this is x1 f1 plus f2 x2, f3 x3, f4 x4, f5 x5, and up to so on. And in denominator we will add up the frequencies and put the value here, and after solving this thing on the calculator you will get the answer. Unit will be hours because the unit is given in hours in this statement. Here is an alternative method to solve the question. So this is more proper way. So values will be put in the vertical column, frequencies will be put in the vertical column, and we will make a new column of fx because the formula used will be summation fx over summation f. So we are required fx. So fx will be finded out like this: f into x, 8 into zeros are 0, 12 ones are 12, 9 twos are 18, 11 threes are 30, 3 6 fours are 24, and 4 fives are 20. And after adding these values we will get summation fx. That this value will be put in the numerator, and these values will be added up to make up the summation f. That will be equal to 50. Put this value in place of summation x and solve it on the calculator. You will get the answer. So this is more proper way to solve this kind of question. Here is another question to explain. A survey was conducted to find the number of the siblings each of the group of the students has. The results are shown in the table below. So here is a table given. Requirement is, if the median is 3, find the largest possible value of x. So median is 3. So find the largest possible value of x in first part. So here is the method to find the largest possible value of x. So we will arrange the data in ascending order first. So 0 is coming 3 times, 1 is coming 7 times, and up to so on. So like this. So 3 plus x plus 3 plus 7 plus x should be equal to 3 plus 6 plus 8. So from here you will find the largest possible value of x. Next requirement is find the smallest possible value of x. If the median is 3, the method will be 3 plus 7 plus x plus 3 is equal to 6 plus 8, and from here you will get the smallest possible value of x if the median is 3. B part is, if the mod is 2, write down the smallest possible value of x. So if the mod is 2, write the smallest possible value. So we will look at the data. Other than x, maximum value is given 8. So if we want to make the 2 as a mod, so here should be 9. So the smallest possible value of x should be 9 if 2 is mod. C part is if the mod is 5, write down the largest possible value of x. So here is 5, that should be mod, and what is the largest possible value of x? So the frequency of the 5 is right now 8, so the maximum value here should be 7, because if it will become 8, so both values will become the mod. So here the largest value should be 7, if 5 should have to be the mod. And D part is if the mean number of the siblings is 2.9, find the value of x. So this is a group data, so like frequencies and values will be are given. So again we will find the we will use the method of summation fx over summation fm, and we will find the value of the mean of the values. Here are some points about mean, median and mod to be noted. The mean advantages of the mean are uses all the values in the data. Disadvantages affected by the extreme values. So if there comes extreme values, so the mean will be affected. And the nodes is the most reliable representative of the numerical data, provided that there are no extreme values. So if there are no extreme values, this is the most reliable central tendency. Next point is about median. The advantages are not affected by the extreme values. Disadvantages, its calculation uses only one or two middle values, does not use the total quantity represented by the data, and notes about it is better representation of the average than the mean when there are extreme values. So if there are extreme values, this will be the best measure of central tendency. And about the mod is advantages not affected by the extreme values. Disadvantages, there may be more than one mod or it may not exist at all, does not use the total quantity represented by the data, and the notes about it is useful as a measure of the opinion and popularity. So if you are discussing about the opinion and popularity, this will be the best measure of the central tendency. Okay, students, we will do different types of questions to get grip on this topic. So whenever this kind of data is called raw data, in which some shuffling values are given, and if the requirement is mean, median and mod, the first step will always be to arrange the data in ascending order. So we will arrange the data in ascending order first. So 2, then 4, then 6, then 8, then 7, then 2 times 8, and then 9, and finally 14. So first we have arranged the data in ascending order. Now the things will be solved now. First requirement is mod. Mod is the most frequent value. And if you look at the data, it is coming 2 times, which is more than the other values. So it is the mod. To find the median of this kind of data is always use n plus 1 divided by 2th term. So n is the number of the terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 terms are there. So 8 plus 1 divided by 2th stands for 9 divided by 2 stands for 4.5th. 4.5th means 4th and 5th terms mean. So 1, 2, 3, 4, here is 4, and 5th, and here is 5th. Terms mean will be equal to median. So 7 plus 8, 15, and 15 divided by 2 will be equal to 7.5. So 7.5 is the median of this kind of data. Okay, now finally the mean. Mean for raw data, the method will be x bar is equal to summation x over n. So this is the method for finding the mean of the raw data, and summation x will be equal to find the sum of all the values on the numerator. Summation x stands for sum of the all values, so that is 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8, 2 times 8 plus 9 plus 14, and divided by n stand for number of terms. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 terms are there. And now we will sum the values. That is 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 7, 19, plus 8, 27, plus 8, 35, plus 9, 44, plus 14, 58. So 58 by 8. And finally, we will solve it on the calculator. 58 by 8. That is 7.25. So this is the answer. Now we are going to solve D part. In C's part, number of terms per even, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is a even number, so number of terms per even. And in D part, number of terms are odd. Method is same. Mean, median and mod will be solved by using the same method in even number of terms and odd number of terms. Only a minor difference will be there. First step will always be to arrange the data in ascending order first. So we are arranging the data in ascending order, that is 63. Then will come 75, that is coming 2 times. After that 80 will come, so 80 is 2 times again. After that 82 is coming. After that 988 will come. And finally 92 is coming. 90 will come. And finally 92 is coming 3 times. So look at the terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 terms are there. So this is odd terms data, but data is raw type of the data. Method will be same. Likewise, we have solved the mod by checking the most frequent value in the data. Again, look at the data. In this data, 92 is coming 3 times, which is more than the other values. So in this data, 92 is the mod. Median we have find by using n plus 1 over 2th terms method. So here will be the same method because data is of raw form. Method will be same. So n plus 1 over 2th terms. So number of terms are 11. So 11 plus 1 over 2th. 11 plus 1, 12. 12 divided by 2 will be 6th term. So 6th term will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So here is 82 on the 6th term. So 82 will be the median. So this is the difference in even number of terms and odd number of terms. In odd number of terms, exactly the middle one will be the median, but in even terms of the even number of terms, the median will be the average of the central 2 terms. So this is the only difference. Now mean is will be the same method. So for mean, formula used will be summation x over n. Summation x stands for the sum of the terms, that will be 63 plus 75 plus 75 plus 80 plus 80 plus 82 plus 88 plus 90 plus 92 plus 92 plus 92. And number of terms, n stand for number of terms, so 11 will be in the denominator. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So now we will sum these values on the calculator. So 63 plus 75 plus 75 plus 80 plus 80 plus 82 plus 88 plus 90 plus 92 plus 92 plus 92. So the sum is 909. This 11 will remain as it is, and finally we will solve it on calculator divided by 11. So answer is 82.6. So mean is 82.6. Okay, students, so look at another type of the question. Here is a dot diagram given, and the requirement is same: find the mod, median, and mean. So the method of mod is same, that is the most frequent value is called mod. So mod is in this question will be 26 and 29, both will be the mod because both values are coming 5 times, 1 2 3 4 5 and 1 2 3 4 5. So 26 and 29 will be the mod because these are coming most of the times other than the as compared to the other values. So the next thing that is required is median. The steps to find the median will be same, that is n plus 1 over 2th term. So number of terms in this question is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19. So 19 will be placed in place of n, and 1 by 2th will remain as it is. 19 plus 1 20 divided by 2 will be the 10th term, and the 10th term we will count from here: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So 10th value is coming, that is 29. So 29 is the median. So the method is same in this question as well. Mod is the most frequent value. Median will be the exactly central value if the number of terms are coming odd terms. But if the number of terms are even, so then we will find the average of the central two values. And the final step is mean. Third step, that is requirement mean. In this kind of data, remember one thing better, we have to find the mean by using the formula, that is summation fx over summation f, because here are some values given and their frequencies are given. Now we will draw the table. The values are coming from 25 to 32. So 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, and 32. So now we will put the frequencies of these values. 25 is coming one time, 26 is coming 1 2 3 4 5, 27 is 2 times, 28 is 0 times, 29 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Number 30 is 3 times. Number 31 is 1 time. And number 32 is 2 times. The next thing that is required, these are frequencies, and now the next thing that is required is fx. So we will make another column, that is fx. Fx is the multiplication of the fn x. 25 ones are 25, 26 fives are 26, fives are 130, 27 twos are 54, 28 zeros are 0, 29 fives are 5 nines are 45, 10 and 14. This will be 90, here will be 31, and here will be 2 twos are 4 and 2 threes are 6. And then we will need the sum of the fx and summation x. So here is summation, and the summation of f is 1 plus 5 6 plus 2 8 plus 5 13 plus 3 16 plus 1 17 plus 2 19. And now find the summation of fx, that will be 25 plus 130 plus 54 plus 0 plus 145 plus 90 plus 31 plus 64. Summation is 539. And now put the values of summation fx and summation f in the formula, and the answer will be 539 over 19. Now solve it on the calculator. Divided by 19. Answer will be 28.37. Here is another type of question, that is stem and leaf diagram, and the requirement is again same. Find the mod, median and mean. So beta, remember this kind of data is called raw data because 93 stands for 93. So it means 93, 94, 95, 100, 102, 102, 106 and up to so on values are given. So the method will be of raw data form. First we have to find the mod of this question. So mod is the most frequent value, and if you can see on the data 121, so this value is coming most of the times, that is 3 times, which is greater than the other values, and this will be 121. So mod is 121. Second requirement is median. Again, the same method will be used for median because median will always be solved by the same method, that is 1n plus 1 divided by 2th term, and stand for number of terms. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 terms are there. So 15 terms means we have to find the exactly middle value, and the method is this one. So through this method, middle term will be easily find it out. So 15 plus 1 16 divided by 8 stands for 8th term, and 8th term we will count now. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 8 here is 8, and that will be 118. So the median is 118. And the final thing is mean. This is the last requirement. So the mean is represented by x bar, and the formula for raw kind of data is summation x over n. So we will add all these values on the numerator and divided by the number of the terms, and the terms will be 93 plus 94 plus 95 plus 100 plus 102 plus 102 plus 106 plus 118 plus 119 plus 118 119, okay, 120 plus 121 plus 121 plus 121 plus 138 plus 139, and the total number of terms are 15. So 15 will be placed in place of n. So now we will solve it on the calculator to find the answer. So 93 plus 94 plus 95 plus 100 plus 102 plus 102 plus 106 plus 118 plus 119 plus 120 plus 121 plus 121 plus 121 plus 138 plus 139 equal to 1689. And finally we will divide the values to get the answer. So divided by 15 equal to 112.6. So this is the method of finding mod. Mod and median will be finded out by the same method, but mean here is actually raw data. So raw data's method will be used, that is summation x over n. So this is the method. Here is another kind of the question, that is we are given histogram and the requirement is mod, median and mean. So mod and median will be finded out by using the same method, that is mod is always the most frequent value. So here we can see 11 and 14th bar are of same height. These are greater as compared to the other values. So 11 and 14 both are mod. For finding the median method will be the same. Median method is always use the formula n plus 1 divided by 2th term. So here we find the n. So 10 is coming 4 times, 4, then 6, 4 and 6, 10, 10 and 3, 13, and 2, 15, and 6, 21. So n is 21. Plus 1 divided by 2th will remain as it is. 21 plus 1, 22 divided by 2 will be the 11th term. And now we will check out the 11th term. So here are 4 terms, that is 6 will make 10, and 11th term will lie here, that is 12. So method is same beta. If the number of terms are odd, then exactly the middle one will be the median value, and if the number of terms are even, then the median will be the average of the central 2 terms. Okay, finally the third requirement is mean. Mean is represented by x bar, but here if you can see some values are given, that is 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14, and their frequencies are given. So when values and frequencies are given, always use the formula summation fx over summation f. So it means then we have to draw a table of fx and fx. So here is x, values are given 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Their frequencies are given. 10's frequency is 4, 11 is 6, 12 is 3, 13 is 2, and 14 is 6. And now from the formula we can see we need another thing, that is fx. So we will make a column of fx and multiply the values of f and x to get fx, that is 10 4s are 40, 11 6 are 66, 12 3s are 36, 13 2s are 26, and 14 6 are 6 4s are 24, 84. Now we can see from the formula we need the summation fx and summation f. So here we apply the sign summation and now add these values. 4 plus 6 10 plus 3 13 plus 2 15 plus 6 19. So summation of f is 19. Now summation fx. 0 plus 6 plus 6 12, 6 18, and 4 22. 2 will be the remainder, and 2 plus 4 6 plus 6 12 plus 3 15 plus 2 17 plus 8 25. So now put these values in the formula. From the formula we can see we require now summation f and summation fx. So sign summation stands for sum. Now we sum the values. 4 plus 6 10, 10 plus 3 13 plus 2 15 plus 6 21, and this sum will be equal to 252. Now put the values in the formula. So 252 over 21. Now use the calculator. 252 over 21 will be equal to 12. So this is the method of finding the mod, median and mean beta. Because mod and median will always be solved by using the same method. Mod is always the most frequent value. Here 11 and 14 are coming most of the time, so mod is 11 and 14. Median will always be find it out by using the formula. This method will make easy to find the median, n plus 1 over 2th. Here you can clearly see we need the 11th value. So from here we find the 11th value. So if the number of the terms are odd, exactly the middle value will be the median, and if the number of terms are even, the median will be the average of the central two terms. And the mean, we will we will use the formula x bar is equal to summation fx over summation f, because some values are given that will be represented by x, and their frequencies are given that will be represented by f. So we have to make a table, and from table we can use the values in the formula to find the mean. Here is another different kind of question. The following data shows the shoe size of the group of 24 students. So clearly we can see we have even number of the terms. So the requirement is complete the dot diagram below. The first requirement is complete the diagram. So 4 is coming 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So 1 2 3 4 and 5 dots are there. 5 is coming 1, 2 times. So 2 dots will be there. 6 is coming 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4 dots will be there. 7 is coming 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. So 6 dots will be there. 3, 4, 5, 6. 8 is coming. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 dots should be there. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 9 is 1, 2. So 2 dots should be there on 9. And finally 10 is 1. 1 time is coming. So at this stage we will count the dots to tally either the values are 24. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 and 24. So we are right. Okay, the next requirement is find the mod. And the remaining things will be same as the previous one. Mod is always the most frequent values. From the figure we can clearly see 7 is coming most of the times because it is having most of the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 which are greater than the others. So 7 is the mod. Median is, so do some working for the median. Median is n plus 1 over 2th term. N is 24. So 24 plus 1, 25 will divided by 2 will be 12.5th term. 12.5th means we have to find the values 12th and 13th, because 12.5 is in the middle of these two values. So 12th and 13th value will have to be find it out, and then the average of these two values. It means if the number of the terms are even, then find the median by finding the average of the middle two values. So now we will find the 12th and 13th values. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 12th term and 13th term both are 7. So 7 plus 7 divided by 2, 14 divided by 2 will be 7. Okay, beta, here are two methods to find the mean. Because raw data is also given and we have make the raw data in values and frequency as well. So the easy way to find the mean is now summation fx over summation f. Because x values are now given, clearly we can see the x values. So x values are now 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Their respective frequencies are 4's frequency is 5, 5's frequency is 2, 6 frequency is 4, 7 frequency is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 8's frequency is 4. 9's frequency is 2. And 10's frequency is 1. From the formula, we can clearly see now we need their summations. Here we can see we need the summations. So f is definitely 24. And now find the summation fx. So first we will find the fx. 5 4s are 20. 5 2s are 10. 6 4s are 24. 7 6 are 42. 8 4s are 32. 9 2s are 18. 10 1s are 10. Now find the summation of these values. So 20 plus 10, 30, plus 24, plus 42, plus 32, plus 18, plus 10. This will make 156. Now put these values in the formula. Summation fx is 156 and summation f is 24. Now solve it on the calculator. 156 divided by 24 will make 6.5. So here is the mean, median and mode of this kind of question. Okay students, here is another kind of the question that is called group data, because class intervals are given. So the requirement is the masses of the 40 letters in grams are given below. We can clearly see this is even number of terms data. And the requirement is complete the table below. So these classes are written in the vertical column now. Mid values are required. So we can find the middle value by adding these two values divided by 2. So 25 plus 35 equal divided by 2. So the mid value is 30. The mid value of this one will be 35. Of this 45 plus 50, 100. So this will be 50. 35 plus 45 divided by 2 will be equal to 40. This will make 100 divided by 2 will be 50. This will make 120 divided by 2 will be 60. This will make 140 divided by 2 will be 70. This will make 160 divided by 2 will be 80. Frequencies are given. 25 to 35 is 11. 35 to 45 is 7. 45 to 55 is 3. 55 to 65 is 8. 65 to 75 is 6. 75 to 85 is 5. The next column is of fx. So multiply these two values to get the fx. That will be equal to 330. This will be equal to 280. This will be equal to 150. This will be equal to 480. This will be equal to 420. And this will be equal to 400. The next thing that is required is summation. So we will add these values. 11 plus 7 plus 3 plus 8 plus 6 plus 5 equal to 40. So this is telling because we need to tally the values. Now summation these values. 330 plus 280 plus 150 plus 480 plus 420 plus 400. It will be equal to 2060. The next step will be put these values in the formula to find the mean. The means formula is summation fx over summation f. Put these values in the formula. 2060 divided by 40. So divided by 40 is equal to 51.5. So mean is 51.5. Next requirement is write down the model class. Model class is the class which is having the maximum frequency. So here we can see 11 is the maximum frequency. So m is greater than 25. Less than or equal to 35. is the model class. Finally, the write down the interval where the median values lies. So median value will lie, this is even number of the terms, so exactly the mean of the central two terms will be the median. So 41 plus so 40 plus 1, 41 divided by 2 will be 20.5th term will be the median. So it means 20th and 21st value. We have to find these two values. So look here, 11 plus 7, 18 plus 3, 21. So it means 20th and 21st value both will lie in this, because up to this 18th term lie, then 19, 20 and 21st term will lie in this class. So m is greater than 45. Lesser than or equal to 55 is the class in which median value will lie. So this is the answer. Here is another different question, like the length of the groups of the 30 leaves measured correct to the nearest centimeters are recorded below. Here is a table, here is a data which is given of 30 leaves. So complete the table below. The requirement is tally. Tally is somewhat different, which we have not done in this topic. So tally means we have to count the values which are from 15 to 19 included. So from 15 to 19 we are counting now. So 15 to 19, here is 1, 2, 3. So 3 values are in the table which are lying in this range. So tally will be written in this form. Then 20 to 24, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 values are lying in this range. Then 25 to 29, 1, 2. So 2 values are lying in this range. Then 30 to 34, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 values are there in this range, and the method to write the 8 values in tally form is write the 4 lines. The 5th line will make the bundle, and then you have to write the 3 values, and then up to so on. Middle value, the method of finding the middle value will be the same. Frequency is same, so the frequency of this range is 3. The frequency of this range is 4, the frequency is this range is of 2, and this range is of 8, and up to so on. Summation fx method is the same of finding out, and then the method of finding the mean, median, mod is same. So this was somewhat different, I want to tell you. Question number 73 is little bit different from the previous questions. So in the question we have a table given, and the requirement is construct a frequency table using the classes. Here is a class
here is another class, and up to so on. Like 40 difference is there, 200 to 240, next is 240 to 280, up to so on, and the last class will be 400 to 440. So the requirement is construct the frequency table. So we have construct a table and showing you like D will be in the middle like this, greater than 200 and 240, then 240 to 280, then 280 to 320, then 320 to 360, then 360 to 400, and finally 400 to 440. And now we will look in the table how many values are lying in this range. So we have find it out, three values out of all these values, three values are lying in the range. So tally will be 3 and frequency will also be 3, and up to so on. 5 values are lying in this range, 7 values are lying in this range, 12 values are lying in this range, 9 are lying in this range, and 4 in this range. So this is the frequency table. So this was a different thing I wanted you to tell you. Next requirements are almost same. Model class. Model class is always the class which is having the maximum frequency. So this is the maximum frequency. So this is the model class. Next requirement is the mean. So this is the frequency. Now you will find the middle values like this. So middle values will be 200 plus 240 divided by 2. You will put here and up to so on. Next you have to find out the fx column, and finally you will put the values in x bar is equal to summation fx over summation f, and you will get the answer of the mean. So frequency distribution table was different, so I wanted you to inform. Question number 25, the statement is the mean of the 8 numbers is 34. When another number is added, the mean of the 9 numbers is 35. What is the number added? Okay, the mean of the 8 numbers is 34. It means the sum of the 8 numbers can be found out by multiplying 8 with 34. That will be equal to 8 fours are 32 and 8 threes are 24 and 3 27. When another number is added, the mean of the 9 numbers is 35. Likewise, we can find the sum of the 9 numbers. That will be equal to 9 multiplied by 35 now. So 9 fives are 45, 4 9 threes are 27 and 4 31. Okay, the requirement is what is the number added. So the number added can be found out by subtracting this number and this number. So 315 minus 272 will be equal to 315 minus 272 equal to 43. So this is the number added. In B part, the mean of the 5 numbers is 9. The numbers are in the ratio 1, ratio 2, ratio 3, ratio 4, ratio 5. Find the largest number. Likewise, the sum of the 5 numbers can be found out by multiplying 5 with 9. That is equal to 45. And now the requirement is find the largest number whose the numbers ratio is given. The largest number can be found out by putting largest number in numerator, that is 5, divided by sum of ratios 1 plus 2 3 plus 3 6 plus 4 10 plus 5 15. So sum of ratios will be put in denominator, multiply by sum of the numbers. So 5 numbers sum is 45. Solve it now. 5 threes are 15 and 9 threes are 27. So 27 number will be the largest number. The statement of the question is the mean of the three numbers ABC is 24. So we can find the sum of the three numbers. Sum of three numbers by multiplying 3 with 24. That will be equal to 3 4s are 12, 3 2s are 6 and 7. These three numbers are a plus b plus c. So a plus b plus c should be equal to 72. And the mean of the five numbers is 27. So the sum of five numbers will be equal to 5 multiplied by 27. 5 sevens are 35 and 5 twos are 10 and 3 13. And these five numbers are a plus b plus c plus x plus y should be equal to 135. Okay, from here we can see a plus b plus c is equal to 72. So we can place 72 in place of this. X plus y will remain as it is. 135 will remain as it is. This 72 will go to the right side and will be subtracted from 135. So 135 minus 72 equal to 63. Okay, find the mean of x plus y. So here we have x plus y, and now the final requirement is mean of x plus y. That will be equal to x plus y divided by 2. So 63 divided by 2 will be equal to 31.5. The statement of question number 27, the numbers 2, 5, 8, 9 and x are arranged in ascending order. If the mean of the number is equal to median, find the value of x. So it means this is given that these numbers are arranged in ascending order. So the median should be, there are five numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this third value should be median. Now it is given that mean is equal to median. This is given, the mean of the numbers is equal to the median. So we can find the mean by adding these numbers. 2 plus 5 plus 8 plus 9 plus x by divided by number of numbers. So number of numbers are 5, and this should be equal to median, which is 8. And from here we can find the value of x. 2 plus 7 2 plus 5 7 plus 8 15 plus 9 24 plus x. Here is 5. So this 5 will go to the right side, it will become 40, and x can be found by 40 minus 24. It will be equal to 16. The statement of question number 27 B part is the mod and the median of the numbers below are 126 and 121 respectively. Find the values of x and y given that x is lesser than y. So attentive beta, first we have to arrange the data in ascending order. So 114. Next number will be 115. That is coming 2 times. Next number should be 116. That is coming 1 time. Next number should be 1 to 4. That is coming one time. Next number should be 1 to 6. That is coming two times. Next number should be 130. And these values we have to think about where they will lie, and the requirement is x is lesser than y, but we are given that the mod and the median is 126 and 121, so mod is 126. So now look at the data. 115 and 126 are coming two times each, so if 126 is the mod, so mod should be greater than 115. So here should be y, because y is greater than x, so here should be y, which should be 126. So, and because the median is 121, so here are total 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10 values. So here should be x, and because we are having 10 values, so 4 values will be on the left side and 4 values will be on the right side, and we will find the average of these two values to find the mean. That is given 121, and from here we will find the value of x. So this will go to the right side. X plus 124 is equal to 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 ones are, and then 242 minus 124, that will be equal to 118. So x is 118. Question number 29, find the mod, the median and the mean of each of the following distribution given below. Here are x values given, here are f values. For this kind of data, the mean can be find out by this formula, summation fx over summation f. So we need fx column now, so here is fx. So x multiplied by f, this will be 2, 3 ones are 3, 7 twos are 14, 9 threes are 27, 8 fours are 32, and 5 ones are 5. And here we can find the sum of the values. So 2 plus 3, 5 plus 7, 12 plus 9, 21 plus 9, 30. So this will be equal to 30. And this 2 plus 3, 5 plus this 19 plus 27, 19 plus 27 plus 32 plus 5 will be equal to 83. And now put the values in the formula. This will be 83 over 30. Solve it on the calculator. 83 divided by 30. So 2.77 is the mean. So mean is 2.77. Next requirement is mod. Mod is always the value which is coming most of the time. So the highest frequency we can see in the data is 9. So the value is 3. So the mod is 3. And next thing is find the median. So median can be find out by putting the formula n plus 1 over 2th term. So n is 30, that is the sum of the frequency. So 30 plus 1, 31 divided by 2th. So it will be 15.5th terms average. So it means 15th and 16th terms average will be equal to median. So here we can find the 15th value. This 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 7 12, 12 plus 9 21. So it means 15th and 16th both value will lie here, that is 3. So 15th value is 3 and 16th value is also 3. This will be divided by 2. So 3 plus 3 6, divided by 2 3. The statement of question number 30, given that the mod is 2, find the largest possible value of P. So if mod is 2, which is having frequency of 16, so all the other values should be lesser than 16. So if the mod is 2 and find the largest possible value of P, so P should be lesser than 16. So maximum value should be 15. C part is our data is given that the median is 15. So 15 is the median. Find the smallest possible value of P. So if 15 is the median and let's suppose exactly middle value is the 15, so the exactly to the middle there should be equal values on the left side and on the right side. So 21 plus 29 should be on the left side of the median, and exactly the middle value will be the median. So there will be 31 remaining values, and 17 plus 19, 17 plus P should be on the right side because this makes 50. So 50 values should be on the right side as well. So this makes 50, and adding this will make 38 and 48 plus P, and from here P will be equal to 2. So this is the method. D part is our data is given that the median is 13. So 13 is the median. It means if one value is median in between, so to the left and right the number of the values should be equal. So on the right side we will have now 10 plus 8 plus 6 because one value is the median and the remaining values will be this. To make the P largest, P should be on the left side. So from here we will get 10 plus 8, 18 plus 6, 24. So here should be 24 to make it the largest one. I part is given that the mean is 3.5 of the data, find the values of A and B. So if mean is given, the formula for the mean is summation fx over summation f. So we have to find the column of the fx. 18 twos are 36. This will become 3a. This will become 16 fours are 64. This will become 5b. This will become 7 6 are 42. And we will put the values in this formula. This will become 36. All these values are of summation f. So 36 plus 3a plus 64 plus 5b plus 42 over summation f, that is 70. From here we will solve it. 36 plus 64 plus 42 will be equal to 142. 142 plus 3a plus 5b will remain as it is. 70 will remain as it is. This is the mean, which is given 3.5. This 70 will go to the right side. So 3.5 multiplied by 70 equal to this. 142 will be subtracted from it, and 3a plus 5b will be equal to 103. And Now this summation f is also 70 given, that is 18 plus a plus 16 plus b plus 7 is equal to 70. 18 plus 16, 34 plus this 41. So 70 minus 41 will be equal to a plus b, which will be equal to 29. And these are two simultaneous equations. Now solve it from here. A will be equal to 29 minus b. Put it in this equation. So this equation will become 3 into 29 minus b plus 5b equal to 103 will remain as it is. Multiply it. 9 3s are 27 and 3 2s are 6 and 8 minus 3b plus 5b is equal to 103. This will be equal to 2b. 87 will be subtracted from it. So 103 minus 87 will be equal to 16. And from here b will be equal to 8. Put it in here. Call this equation number 2 or 3. So put in 3 for example. So b is equal to 8. So a will be equal to 29 minus 8. This will be equal to 21. So these are the answers. Question number 32 statement, our data is given, that is values and frequencies are given, and we have learned the method to find the mean, median and mode of this kind of data. You will find the values. Now the B part is something different, which average gives the best picture of the distribution. So look at the data, there are no extreme values. These are very close to each other and in a rhythmic way. So there are no extreme values. So when there are no extreme values, the best picture of the distribution shown by the mean. So mean always show the best picture of the distribution when there are no extreme values. Remember it. Question number 33, the number of hours of the work of each of the 15 part-time workers in a fast food restaurant are given below. There is a raw data. We can find the value of mean, median, odd, and we have learned the method. So the next thing is something new, which average gives the best picture of the data. Look at the data. Here are two values which are 5 and 65, which are extreme values, which are far from the other values. Look at the other values which are very close to each other. This 5 is the extreme and this 65 is the extreme, which are far from the other values. So if there are extreme values in the data, remember always median is the best. Median shows the best picture of the data. Remember this thing. Question number 40. The table below shows the number of the hours spent doing community work of each of the group of the people in a week. So here is a table given. If the mod is 3, so if the mod is 3, write an inequality satisfying x. So A's first part is write an inequality satisfying x. So if mod is 3, whose frequency is 29, so it means x should be lesser than 29. This is an inequality. In second part, using the largest possible value of the x in A first part. So in second part, the maximum value for x will be definitely 28. Then find the mean, median, and mean and median of the distribution. Beta, you will find the mean and median by yourself because you have learned the method to find the mean and median of this kind of question. Just put 28 in place of x and using the data, find the mean and median. Next requirement is important, B's first part. If the median is 4, so if the median is 4, find the largest possible value of x. So if median is 4, leave one value in exactly the middle. So to the right and the left side, the median, there should be equal number of the values. So leave one value. So on the right side, to find the largest possible value of x, the method is leave x on the right side alone. One value will be the median, so there will be 25 values left. So add all these values on the left side. So 27 plus 13 plus 17 plus 29 plus 25. So this is the method to find the largest possible value, and here you will get the answer. 27 plus 13 plus 17 plus 29 plus 25 equal to 111. So this is the maximum value of the x if 4 is the median. The second requirement is exactly the reverse of the first part. Find the smallest possible value of x if the median is 4. So if the median is 4, one value will be the median, rest of the values here will be 25. So 25 will be added to x. So this should be on the right side of the median, and on the left side will be these values, 27 plus 13 plus 17 plus 29. After solving this, you will get the answer that will be equal to 27 plus 13 plus 17 plus 29 equal to 86. 25 plus x will, as it is, 25 will be subtracted from this. You will get the answer of 61. So this is the minimum smallest possible value of x if 4 is the median. Here is question number 56. The statement is the stem and leaf diagram shows the mathematics marks of a class test of the boys and girls of class 2A are given below. Find the number of the boys and the girls. Here are boys on the left side and here are girls on the right side. The number of the boys are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So there are 20 boys, and on the right side are girls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So there are 20 girls as well. So the next requirement is discuss the distribution of each gender. If you look at the marks of the boys, that clusters around 20s and 40s, while the marks of the girls are well distributed. So this shows girls performed better. C part is which gender performed better. Definitely you have to find out the mean in this part. C, you have to find the mean. The formula for the mean will be x over n. You will find the mean for the boys and then the mean of the girls, and you will compare the mean of the both gender. Whose mean will be greater will be the winner. So this will do by yourself, like 14, 21 plus 21 plus 22 plus 22 will be put in the numerator, and 20 will be put in the denominator. After solving on the calculator, you will get the mean of the boys. Likewise, you will find the mean of the girls, and whose mean will be greater will be the winner, will be the better performer. Okay, D part, beta. Find the highest and the lowest marks. You can clearly see from the stem and leaf diagram, 53 is the highest mark. And the lowest mark you can clearly see 13 is the lowest marks. And the model mark, you can again clearly see this number is coming most of the time, that is 7. All other numbers are lesser than it, so 47 is the model mark. And the final requirement is find the median. So in total there are 40 students. So the median can be find out by 40 plus 1 divided by 2th term. That will be equal to 20.5. So it means 20th and 21st students mean will be equal to the median. So we will count from here now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And this is 21. So 38 and 39. Divided by 2. Solve it on the calculator. 38 plus 39 divided by 2. That will be equal to 38.5. So this is the median.